Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us to this evening's Eri-TV English news broadcast. And as usual, before we go to the details of the news, we'll start out by looking at the major headlines. A weekly editorial was released under the title, "The Congregation of the Youth in the Platform of Common Desire." National Grade 8 exams underway. NATO helicopter shot down in Afghanistan, killing 4 people. Iran faces most significant UN nuclear sanction, according to U.S. Secretary of State. To start out in our domestic arena, the people of Eritrea have been able to acquire their independence and managed to cross all hurdles by standing firm against all aggressions